In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can delete an Instagram post in 2020, and this will work on both Android and iOS devices. So once you're logged into the Instagram app, you want to go to your profile, and you do that. If I go back to home, you tap on your profile icon at the bottom right. You tap on your profile, then you want to go to a post where you want to delete. So I'm just going to select this post over here, and then what you want to do is tap on the three vertical dots at the top right of the image. Tap on that, and then these options appear, and one of the options is delete, and you can see another option that says archive. So if you want to take the post off your profile but still have the option to bring it back some other time, you can archive a post. But if you want to permanently delete a post, you tap on delete. So that is how you delete an Instagram post in 2020 on both Android and iOS devices. If you got some value out of this video, then I would appreciate it if you smash that like button and consider subscribing, because I'm uploading how-to videos about social media and your favorite apps every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in my next video.